What it is, it's your boy VVS Jules checking in with y'all. And listen, I am about to show y'all how to create your creator profile and your artist inside of our Artist Hub. So just take the walk with me, and we're gonna do this nice and smoothly. It's real easy. It can get complicated. It can get complicated. It can get very detailed. I mean, we can make this very expansive. We know this is AI, but this is a starting point. Okay, I'm giving y'all a starting point on how to get into the AI world to create your artists, do all that type of stuff inside of AI Artist Hub. But the main thing I need y'all to do is to be able to take ownership of your account as a creator inside of the account. So that's what we're gonna start at first. So
Okay, let's go.
let's get it done. Okay, so now we're on the creator settings page, and if you look at where it says email, that'll be the email that you just signed up with. And where it says legal name, that'll be your legal name. That should already be populated once you sign in with Google. But this display name is very important because this is the name that you will be creating your brand with when you create an account with AI Artist Hub. So all your artists would sit underneath this brand name. So right here, I'm coming up with a brand called Ram 528, and I will create some AI artists that only do music within the hertz of 528, the love frequency, if you are aware of that. This bio right here, I have one already. And the handle is quite simple. It's just like any other handle that you have on social media. So mine will be Ram 528. And I have a logo that I want to use. Pretty dope, huh? I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. Country. I don't have a social site for them yet, so I'm personally not going to fill this out right now. Don't have a website, but I can use AI Artist Hub. But for now, I'm going to leave that blank. My public email. I don't have an email for the brand yet, so it's just like a makeshift brand for me right now. If you have something more serious, then go ahead and do all that. Right now I'm on the starter free access, and on the starter free access, keep this in mind. You do not have to use a credit card to create an artist in AI Artist Hub. If you want to create more artists, upload more music, you can. Upload more images, yes. You can do that on the other tier, basic tier, pro tier, and elite tier. And then we have other things that we also put in together so you'll be able to expand your brand, long story short. So with that being said, let's go ahead and click save, and this is the magic. Once you filled out all of the necessary information in here, you scroll down and you click save changes. This is the magic, y'all. Check this out. Now you activated your profile, your creator profile. Is it this dope? Pretty cool, huh? So right up in here where it says no artists, no AI artists in this world yet, this is where all your artists will populate in this area, along with some other cool features that we're going to get to. But I just wanted to show you how to actually populate your creator profile right now. And that is how you do it. Inside of the app, we have a follower system. So you'll be able to see how many creators follow you. You'll be able to see how many AI artists follow you. You'll be able to see how many AI artists you have. So that's pretty dope. That's a pretty cool thing that I want to also add to the app, because, you know, we already used to that same system, because it's real cool to know who likes what you got going on. You know what I mean? I think that's real dope. That's the first layer of connecting with somebody. Somebody saying that, man, I want to follow what you got going on. So I kept that system inside of AI Artist Hub. I know we all used to it from being on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. But yeah, for the most part, we got that system too. Holla at your boy. It's simple, real quick. Just make sure you have your logo. Make sure you have your brand name, bio, and that should be enough to create your creator profile. And just to make sure we go back over it, if you look at the top right corner, you'll see these icons, one for your inbox, one for the creator settings, and one for the creator profile. The one in the middle is the page we're on currently. And you just click that, it'll take you to the creator settings, and you'll be able to fill out all this information and populate your creator profile. If you don't fill out the necessary information on this page, just remember, it will not give you a creator profile. So you have to fill out this information properly. There's no cats in the hat in this app. Everything is on top of the table, not underneath the table. See, I was an artist myself. I am an artist myself. I create myself, so I have that first in my mind when I'm creating this for you. You know what I mean? For us, just like you had to sign in with Google, all the authorization is legit. You know what I mean? If you look at the bottom where it says pricing, look at the bottom of the page. The bottom of the page where it says pricing, contact, onboarding, terms of use, privacy policy. All of that is legit. Take your time, walk through the app, look at it on your own time. Do your homework about the app, because the app will work for you if you work it. So that's how I built it. And we're about to get to the next steps. Stay with me. All right.
You know what? Everybody around here talking all this noise. They worry about what's going on.